Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can wash your car like a pro. Now when you watch my videos, please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. Before I start to wash the car, I'll just show you. You can see, look at the wheel there, how dirty it is. This car doesn't show dirt easily, but if I go right along here, you can see that the car is really dirty. I haven't cleaned it or washed it for a little while. I've hoovered inside. I'll show you the interior. We had a see on there, so it will need a good hoovering, and I also have to clean the dashboard and all of that. So this is what I call a full wash, because I'll have to take out my pressure washer as well. Before I start to wash the car, I'll just quickly show you all the stuff that I have. I didn't realize I had so much stuff. But I have my car shampoo, I have wet tires to spray on the tires on some finish, I have some foam here, which I'll use with the pressure washer, and this is some wheel cleaner. I have some car polish, I have sponges, brush, spade, there's a little pressure washer there, do little jobs around the house, and of course it's a big plus to help me to clean the car. And I'm gonna use my vacuum cleaner to vacuum the car and all of that dirt. So yeah, you have to remember that your car is an investment. For an ordinary person like myself, you know, your car is probably the second biggest investment outside of your house, so you have to look after it. So yeah, normally it will take maybe about 25 pounds to wash a size car like this. And with all the stuff that I bought, you could buy maybe stuff, including your microfiber cloth, some shampoo, something to clean the wheels, maybe if you're around that same amount, and that will give you quite a few wash. So in that regard, you could get 5-6 wash for that amount of money if you buy your products yourself. So that's a win. You save some money, and of course you get the desired result, because a lot of times for me, when I go and wash my car, I feel disappointed because I pay good money to clean the car properly, and yet I didn't get that desired result. So if you have never washed your car before, give it a go. You're not going to get it perfectly set the first time, but with time you will get it and get that spotless finish that you want. So as you see here, I'm just sort of cleaning the vents and all of that, and then once I finish cleaning the dust from the vents, I'm just gonna give it a nice vacuum. One of the first things I do before I start to wash the car itself is to give it a nice rinse down. So that's what I'm doing now, just giving it a nice rinse down right around the car. I'm just going to give the car a nice little wash now using my pressure washer. I've now pressure washed down the car, so I'm going to give it a nice little foam. Spray some foam on it, leave it for a little while, wash off the foam, and then give it a good hand wash. The foam has been on the car for a little while. What I'm going to do now is to wash the foam off, and then I'm going to use a bucket with some shampoo and give it a nice wash down, then rinse it off, and then I'll start to dry the car. I'm going to add some shampoo in this bucket of water. Not too much, you want to just mix it right. And then I'm going to use clean sponge and then give it a nice little wash. Very important that you wash the top first and then you wash the sides. Now that I've finished hand wash the car, I'm just going to rinse off the soapy water from the car. Now that I've completed washing the paint of the car, I'm gonna clean or wash the wheels. Now this, I have some fast wheel cleaner which I'm gonna spray and just allow it to stay on the wheel for a little while. Then I'm gonna use these brushes to wash it, and then I'm gonna use some soap water with a sponge and then wash it off again. It's been a few minutes since I've sprayed the wheel clean on the wheel itself, so I'm just going to use this brush and rub it, give it a nice rub. get rid of all of that dust and metal and stuff like that that may be collected on the wheel itself from the disc pad and this wheel. As you can see, really looks nice and clean. If you remember before I started, how black it was with all of that dust, bright dust, probably bits of metal from the disc wheel. Now this looks really nice and clean. I've now washed the car, so I'm going to dry the car with these microfiber cloth. These are very clean, so I'll just dry the car, and once I'll just dry the car, and once I'm finished, I'll just clean the interior as well, clean the dashboard, spray it down, shine it down, and that will be that. I'll just take you right around the car, see how nice it is. And I didn't even polish it, it's just the car. Yeah, this is very nice. This looks like a pro. If you get your car washed like this and you're not satisfied, then wow, you're really fussy. There you go. I'll show you inside the car as well. Let me open it. I can do this and clean my car so clean all by myself. Anybody can do it. Save you some money, you burn a bit of calories as well, and of course you get value for money because you're doing it. It's your investment, it's your car, you know, and you get that desired result. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe and leave a comment to introduce yourself. Bye.